Welcome and thank you for joining the Concatenate Formula presentation. I'll be your presenter, Jesus Gonzalez. First, we'll go over what the concatenate formula is. The concatenate formula is used in Microsoft Excel to join two or more text strings into one string with a limit of 8,192 characters. We classify a string inside a text of Excel or the square where the data is inputted in Microsoft Excel. In the version of Excel 2016 to current, which is Microsoft 365, it was replaced with the concat function, which does the same, but it allows more character limits of 32,767. Next, we will look at the location of the data. For the formula to work, the location of the data can be in the same worksheet, in another worksheet, or even in another Excel file. Next, we'll go over on how to use the formula. Recommendation. It is recommended to label the column with the data you are going to join. The formula is equals concatenate or equals concat depending on the version you're using to start the formula. Every formula must start with a equal sign to indicate the use of formula on Microsoft Excel. If not, it will read it as text. After indicating the start of the formula, we then go to our first field, which is text 1. This will be the first item to join, which can be a text value, a number, or a cell reference. Next, we look at the next field, text 2, which is the additional text item to join. You can have up to 255 items or a total of 819 characters with the concatenate formula, or a maximum of 253 items or a max of 32,767 characters with the concat formula. If you want to continue adding more, you would just indicate a comma and select the next text item. It is good to know that when using the concatenate formula, the information is joined without any spacing. If you want to indicate spacing between your text, a special character must be used after the first text, which is indicated by quotation marks. This quotation marks must be used between the first comma of your first text and before the second comma of your second text, and so forth. This concludes the concatenate formula presentation. Please feel free to practice on your own on the Excel workbook provided in the website, and please complete the assessment.